So the sales page is ready. The order form is published. But wait, you haven't tested it yet. Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can test your order forms for free. Let's go. Hey, peeps, and welcome back to my channel. If we have not been formally introduced, allow me to do that. My name is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood entrepreneur certified consultant, systems strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at akilapitts.com, helping visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Entreport. So if that's you, be sure to click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss a moment of this automation awesomeness, now do you? So, part of the process of bringing forth whatever product or service that you may be launching or making available to the public involves testing. And one of the key things that you want to test is the onboarding process of any new clients or customers. And in order to truly get that experience, you got to fill out an order form. You got to actually purchase whatever it is that you're selling. Now, true enough, you can just whip out your debit card and credit card and just go through the buying process that way, and then make the extra steps to refund yourself and all that different stuff. But if you don't want to go through that, especially if it's you and your team who are testing out these forms, there's a way that you can do it for free. All you have to do is simply set up the dummy gateway account within your payment gateways and test it using the standard credit card code in which Entreport has set up, and I will put that in the description box below. But just so you can get a feel for how this process works, we're going to head on over to Entreport right now so I can walk you through it. Let's go. Okay, so here we are inside of my Entreport sandbox, otherwise known as demo account. And basically, in order to show you how to test your order forms for free, it's going to involve a two-step process. So we're going to be traveling to two different areas within your Entreport account. And the first area is in the sales settings. So if you go to sales and then drop down to settings, the first option under the settings tab is the option to manage your payment gateways. We're going to click on that. Now, depending upon how long you've had the account or who has set up what in your account, you may already have the dummy gateway set up in your account. If not, just click on New Gateway. And your dummy gateway is typically the first option from the drop-down menu. Once you select that, it gives you a little note about the credit card number and things like that I'm going to go over with you shortly. And then you can actually give your gateway a nickname, but I typically just keep it straightforward and label it Dummy Gateway. Hit save. And just like that, your gateway is set up. Okay? So the next half of this is adding the gateway to the order form so we can actually use that gateway in order to test the order form. Now, in order to do that, we're going to head on over to Entreport Pages. And let me give you a heads up. The page we're going to use is actually a template that I pulled from Entreport Pages. I did not design it in any way because that's not the purpose of this video. This video is solely focused on the payment gateway and order form options. So don't be alarmed. It is a standard template. We're just working with the behind the scenes, the settings and things like that. Okay. So let me go ahead and click on Pages. Sample order form. If you scroll down here to the bottom, over the submit button, hit that little toggle for the settings, come down here to the product and payment settings. I already have a product attached here. Down here under payment gateway, I want to select that dummy gateway. Okay, scroll down and hit done, done, I like to click on all my dones and then I like to hit save just to make sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, since this page has already been created and published, I can click on this little button for the publish URL to pop up. As I said, this is a sandbox demo account, so that's why this little header is popping up here, so just ignore that. And what we're going to do for the beauty of time lapse is I'm going to go ahead and fill out this order form, at least the basics, so that you don't have to see all that in the video, and then we can jump to the next set of information. Okay, let's go. Okay, so just like that, the order form has its dummy text in it. None of this information is real. And what I did was kept this payment information blank because this is the main portion that I want to go over with you. When it comes to the payment information, you could put any name for a name on card. But when it comes to the card number, you want to use the number 4 followed by 15 ones. Okay, when it comes to the expiration month and year, you can use any date that is beyond the current date. So I can say 3/2019. And then for the CVC, we are going to use any 3-digit number. Okay, again, this is a dummy template order form page, so I did not go in and attach it to a fancy thank you page. I just selected the default thank you page. So once it submits, you're going to see that page. But the main purpose is to show you with this default gateway, you can go ahead and submit the order form. And the system is going to process this order form just like it would if it was a payment. Bam, you're being taken to the thank you page. And if you already have things set up on the back end within your campaign to add someone to an onboarding sequence as a result of submitting this order form successfully, that is exactly what should take place as a result of submitting this form. So there you are able to submit the order form for free and also experience the onboarding process as a result of this order form. And that's definitely what you want to do. And now we're back. So now we can see how you can go about testing your order forms so that everything is working effective and efficiently within your Ontraport account. Now, bonus tip, once you check it, you definitely want to go back in there and update your payment gateway to ensure that you're not using that dummy gateway when the sales page actually is shared with the public. So in the comments below, let me know whether or not you plan on activating your dummy gateway and using it as part of the testing process for the purchase and onboarding of new clients and customers. Now, did you enjoy this video? Great. Don't forget to like, share it, and best of all, subscribe so that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. I mean, the tips, the tricks, the tutorials. I mean, why would you want to miss out on that? So, that's all for now, Happy Peeps. Take care.